Hello, welcome to Battery Potter here at Gateway National Recreation Area, Fort Hancock, and Sandy Hook Proving Ground National Historic Landmark. I'm Ranger Alex, and today we will be exploring the role Battery Potter played to ensure the safety of citizens in New York City. To begin, I ask you all at home to answer a question. Considering the uncertain times we face today, what makes you feel safe? Some may say access to food, shelter, even social distancing and wearing masks. In the uncertain time of the imperial age of the United States leading to the Spanish-American War, coastal defense was critical to ensuring the safety of our nation's coastal population centers from an attack from a foreign nation. Flexibility and adaptability are critical to many aspects of our lives. From education to sports and even defense, people tend to recognize the value in these qualities. Here, the dynamic, adaptable nature of the defenses at Sandy Hook enabled safety and security to the residents of New York City in the most uncertain times. Beginning construction in 1890, Battery Potter is on the northern end of Sandy Hook to fill the void of coastal defense. The Army at the time knew the greatest threat of an attack on New York City came from the east in the Atlantic Ocean. This battery is D-shaped with the straight edge facing west and the curved edge facing east where the guns were mounted. The edges of the battery consist of sloped concrete and earthworks to absorb the blow of artillery. This battery tested the leading technology in coastal defense, which was the disappearing gun. Powered by steam, the carriage lifted a 12-inch gun. This allowed the gun to be loaded behind the safety of the parapet wall and the earthen slope. This technological superiority would not last long to preserve the safety of New York. As artillery on ships began to improve, the load time of 3.5 minutes per load put the Army at a disadvantage. As a result, the Army adapted and improved their technology. With the installment of counterweight carriages, crews could pump out 2 rounds per minute. However, this technology was not applied to Battery Potter, as the battery continued the use of the steam carriage until 1905, when it was disarmed. Battery Potter, although disarmed, still contributed to ensuring the safety of New York City. It became a fire control station to help identify targets making its way into the bay. With the service of Battery Potter and its men, New York City became one of the most fortified cities in the United States. Battery Potter was adapted to fit the needs of the time. It is because of this adaptation, citizens of New York City could work, relax, create, and play with a feeling of comfort.